Hello everyone, in this video I show you how to edit a video in TikTok. First you need to set up the camera, speed, timer, for example 2 seconds, and then choose the effect that we like. For example, that effect. We are shooting some kind of video. Well done. Here we can add filters. For example, 70. Text. We can add text. Music. Choose filter transition. Well done. And other interesting things. We can also add stickers. And another effects. For example, disco and transition. Next, we correct and publish our video. Next. Choose who can watch this video. Choose everyone. More options. Save to device. And post. Enough. Put likes, subscribe to the channel and stay with us.